Bye. Excited. Okie dokie. Alright y'all, so I have my fridge out of the box. I've just like looked at it. I do love it. It is amazing, but I got the wrong fridge. I know. So I am gonna have to send this one back, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until my new one comes in before I send this one back, okay? But I wanted a fridge that had, you know, of course, a fridge and a freezer. This one has 2 compartments and is able to go, like the temperature is able to go down low enough that it is a freezer. However, the 2 parts are not, they can't be controlled separately. You know what I mean? So the whole fridge would have to be freezing, or, you know what I mean? So I don't know if I explained that right. Did I? If not, I'm sorry, y'all. Just got off work. I've been up all night. That's always gonna be my excuse. No, but seriously, I really do like this. I love it. We're gonna use it. But yes, I want to get one that has a fridge and a freezer, and they can be controlled separately. The temperature can be controlled separately in each compartment. Hope that sounded better than the first time. Not sure if it did. But I actually have some stuff I'm about to throw in here right now. Actually not in here right now. I have to let it cool off and everything. But it sucks because look, y'all, it has a little light right here, and I love that. Oh my goodness, love the light. It has a little compartment over here where you can buy an extra battery, and this battery can charge this. So I love this feature. So I hope the new one I get has this feature. Oh, and it has a USB port. Well, of course it's not going to get cold if I have it open, but look. So it goes as low as -4. It's one of them things like, dang it, I had it. How? I think I probably just saw 2 compartments because I was on Amazon looking at 3 at the same time, and they all had the 2 compartments, and I think I probably just put the wrong one in the cart. Didn't even think about it. But that is okay, y'all. We can always send it back. So let's run in the store real quick and see what they have. Went to 3 stores looking for my vegan bacon, right? None of them had it. None. And those are the only stores on this side of town that would have it. So I can't make my little croissant breakfast. It's not a biscuit. I guess I can't make my breakfast croissant this morning, which sucks. But I'm the type of person that if I don't have everything I like on there, I don't want it, because it's not going to be the same. It's not going to be as good. So I'm here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Einstein bagels. Yes, okay. I bent down because I was about to start putting the food in this little fridge, right? As soon as I bent down, I have to pee, and I don't feel like I can get out of this stance that I'm in, or this crouch. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna make it to a restroom, y'all. I have a pee jug. I'm gonna have to use my pee jug for the first time in here. I don't want to use it in here this morning, but I'll be back, y'all. I have to pee. Like, I have to. I found it. It took everything not to pee on myself. Going back to the back to find this. Now that I'm crouched again, I just don't think I can. Ladies, do y'all understand what I'm saying? Like, when you are in a certain position and you know you can't really move, like, you bet not move. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. I gotta pee so bad. All right, well, I have my little pee jug, so this is... I'm really doing van life, yeah. All right, y'all, let me see you in a second. That was interesting. My first time using the restroom in the van. But what I realized is now I literally have to ride around with my pee until I dump it. This is different. I will say that this is different. Yeah. I don't want y'all to really see it, but this is it. And anyone else realize, like, or I guess you don't realize when you're on the toilet, but I pee a lot. Okay, this is a very uncomfortable conversation. We should not be talking about me urinating. Sorry. Let me wash my hands and I will be right back. So I'm about to chill here for a few hours. I have something else that's going to be delivered today, so I'm excited about that. I really love this fridge, y'all. I'm so bummed. So bummed you can't control the temperature on both sides separately. That is okay. It's alright. I'm gonna figure it out. I was really supposed to change before I got up here and got in this bed, but I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna take my jacket off. Took my pants off already. So I'm about to chill here, eat my bagel, and probably just sleep for a few hours, and then get up and run some errands. I don't think I should be bothered. I parked toward the back of this little shopping center. And I like to park where no one can really walk behind me, so it's just trees and stuff back here. Oh, it feels so good to lay down. Oh. So there are a few more things I need to get out of my storage. I just realized like my little camping toilet is in storage because I was looking for that to set it up, and I was like, dang it. Took it out last time I was cleaning up, so I think I'm gonna go get that too. But thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm about to catch some Z's. Bye, y'all.